Hello dear. Today chapter number 1 I will teach the one more things, that is modem. Okay. Now the internet in our soul site, internet. What is that internet? It is connected to the lots of computer, lots of the what to say satellites. So everywhere it has connected. Okay. Now see, the question is coming, how it is happening. Now if we are going to the any others, we are using mobile, then also we are getting the internet. If we are using the computer in our home, yeah, office, everywhere the internet. Okay, so how it is happening? It is, suppose I am here, my friend is another place. Okay, so we can share the message, we can share the voice, video, everything. Okay, this is the internet. Now through the internet we cannot not only the sharing for only text and video, we can share for many another things. We can access internet, we can download it through the internet, we can download, we can upload, everything we can do. Now suppose one video I saw in internet, we can download, we can upload also our message, our few pictures, few text, important message, important topics, everything we can share. We can download, we can upload through the internet. Okay, these are the functions. But now, so this is the question is coming, what is internet, how it is happening? So many questions comes, how it is happening. I am here, it is you, my friends, another place. So how it connected, how it works? Okay. So it is for two way. Okay, remember these things we can do for two way. Remember, that is, we can getting message, we can connect it each others. These things we can attach for, we can do these works for two way. Internet it's connect from two way. One it is for, these are the satellite tower. Okay, it connected from one computer to another, one network for another. This all the things for satellite it's connected. And second things in the modem it's connect for two computer for networking. I want to say that is for networking. Okay, this is the modem. Just you see the port, I was saying that is telephone line port, these are the port. Now not only this, you can say, sir, we are in home, through the mobile we can use. Now you can see plenty your parents and any other, through the phone we can connect. Okay, otherwise this kind of device, my dear, this is also work of modem. Now your home, now someone is connected for Geo phone. Okay, Geo, this is for Geo modem. Wi-Fi, this through this we can attach. Otherwise this external modem, through this is also modem. These external modem, these are the modem. Clear? We kept our decks, and through this modem we can join our internet. Otherwise, and some directly telephone line where it's come to the our CPU. So this is for internal modem. Okay, so we learned that, we saw the types of three different types, the external, internal, this modem we saw. Okay, now today I will say you the different things. What are that? The first part. Let us go to what is modem. I will say. Clear? So let us discuss about the modem. What is the function? How it is happening? Okay. Now I will say you about the modem. Clear? So if we are divide the modem. Okay. So first part is coming MO. Just you follow this. We will divide two parts. This modem MO first part. Second thing DEM. Okay. That's why it's full form modulator and demodulator. Now question is coming, sir, why these things modulator and demodulator? Okay. Now dear students, you have to remember, whenever we give the functions, means computer, telephone line and computer, it has connected, and between one device is there, he has connecting both sides, one telephone line and the computer. So what we learned, so if we connected each other, so telephone line should be needed. Okay, telephone line is the medium. So if I divide, so suppose this is the computer, someone, okay, and this one is telephone line. Okay, telephone line. Okay, so through the telephone line it will connect to the computer, but directly we cannot attach to the computer. Clear? So here is one device is there, that name is the modem. So at first telephone line will come to the modem, and modem line will go to the computers. So this is called medium. Okay, this one modem. So telephone line, it is connected to the modem, and modem is giving to the signal to computer. Why the modem is between taking part, both are connected? Actually, my dear, I have told you the modem, it always work to analog to digital and digital to analog. This is the function of modem. So that it has written the modulator and demodulator. Now I will show you to the functions to why we say this is the modulator and demodulator. Clear? Okay. Now I am going to the another part. We learned class 5, computers always work the digital functions. So we say this computer always will take the digital signal. Okay. So another one, telephone line, is called analog signal. So now I will write here, you see. So what we learned? Computer, that is digital signal. And another one, when sending the any message, means you have to forward or receive that through the internet, that is called transmission. Remember, transmission. Okay, so this transmission always it is analog part. So how it will work? Computer always understand the digital language, and the transmissions is analog. Okay, now I will show you the function, the modem. Suppose here I am drawing one computer. We want to suppose Mr. A. He want to send message to Mr. B. Okay, but here how it will work? Because here also computer, Mr. A is using computer, Mr. B also using computer. Here is not possible because both computers, we know the computer are always the digital signal node. Okay, so here between one modem will connect with the telephone line, telephone wire it should connect. Another one, you see one more modem I draw, and then going to the Mr. B. Okay, modem, just follow it here. This one, now just you see Mr. A at first say the message, it when reach to the modem place, means so it is computer, so this is the digital signal and it reach to the modem, so digital signal it has gone. Okay, we know that modem always convert to digital to analog and analog to digital. That's why it is demodulator. Now Mr. A, whenever sending the message, it's going to the at first one modem, means it has converted, now you see to digital. It reached to modem, means it came to the analog. Okay, but computer doesn't know the analog sign. So what happened? Again, this modem is going to the another modem. Which one? Which one? This Mr. B is using that modem. So here analog, again that modem also understands the analog language, but he is converting to digital. Okay, then again it's going to the another Mr. B. Whenever Mr. B receives the message, that time he get to the which one? Again analog, digital. Okay. So now Mr. A was using the digital because he having the computer. So now modem reach, that is analog. Again that modem sent to the another modem, means analog it convert to digital. When the Mr. B receive the message, that time already it converted to digital. So that's why this is called modulator, and again when analog to digital came, that is called demodulator. That's why we say modem is called the modulator and demodulator. This is the functions of modem. Okay. Next day I will show you through another functions of external, then internal, all the modem code. Okay. Thank you.